We have over 35 years of experience working on biologics, bioconjugates, and small molecules. So that really gives us a big, broad breadth of experience to be able to draw from. And specifically over the last 15 years, we've invested a lot of time developing our expertise around bioconjugation. For example, in the Process and Analytical Development group, we've been able to work over 65 different constructs, which has really broadened our expertise in multiple kinds of conjugation chemistry, as well as all the unit operations that go along with doing development for a bioconjugate to GMP. And also we've been able to take 30 of those projects into our GMP space. And what that means to me is there's about 30 clinical trials that we've enabled out there to be able to provide treatments for patients who really have very few options. It makes us very proud to be able to work in an industry where we have an impact on patient populations in that way. We'd like to think of ourselves as a one-stop shop for bioconjugation. So when you bring a project in the door to us, we immediately form an interdisciplinary team that has all of the functions we'll need to be successful. So you'll have colleagues from Process and Analytical Development, Technical Operations, Manufacturing, QA, QC, Regulatory, Project Management, and Engineering that all start on day one with the end in mind about making a successful campaign. So in addition to that, we offer all kinds of services that you might need during your regulatory journey toward becoming a phase 1 drug. For example, the Process and Analytical Development group also does things like IND enabling stability studies, as well as reference standards, infusion studies, and doing in-use stability for your tox materials. So we try to make sure that we give comprehensive services to ensure that you don't hit any roadblocks on your way to GMP success.